Healthy foods for kids. All moms are really concerned to give healthy food for their kids. And nowadays, without school and all that, we want to give as many variety and keep the food interesting. So while keeping the food interesting, it also has to be healthy and provide nutrition for the kids. That's what we parents want for our kids. So this is the topic for today, healthy food for kids. Hello, I'm Veena BK. I'm parenting and dyslexia management coach. I'm also a life coach. Today I have invited my friend Jaya, who is a culinary expert and she's passionate about cooking. So she's Mrs. Jaya Venugopal and really passionate about cooking and especially the healthy versions. We children normally love all the junk food, but Jaya is an expert in the sense she makes the same foods in a healthy version. So today she's going to guide us about how we can attract our kids. Normally if we say kids to eat fruits, vegetables, and other healthy things, they normally avoid. They want all snacks like and fast food like things. So Jaya is here to advise us about the healthy versions of the snacks and various other foods. She's also going to share a few recipes. So quite interesting today. So I thought I'll bring this session and Jaya's knowledge to the parents so that it will help them in making the food attractive as well as healthy for the kids. And not only kids, we also can adopt all the healthy eating, right? So let me introduce Jaya. Welcome, Jaya. Happy to have
Yeah,
you
hello.
here. Good morning.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, good morning.
So tell us about your experience in this cooking. How you found your passion about your culinary field? Can you share with us, please? Where are you from? What do you do? Please share with
Yeah,
us.
I'm from Davangere basically,
Yeah.
born, brought up.
Hmm.
And I started cooking when I was in grade 3, I can say.
Okay.
I started,
Hmm.
means it was a very small
So early.
tiffins I started making. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, because every time when I come back from school, my mom used to ask me to have food,
Hmm.
rice, sambar. And even today, I don't like rice, sambar. So
All the
I
kids say
started,
that. Hmm.
she started, means she used to tell me, so why don't you try?
Hmm.
That's what from the, when I was in grade 3, I started cooking.
Okay.
So when I was in um, first PU,
Hmm.
I started taking my cooking classes.
Wow. Wow.
Okay.
Everything
So
early in your
almost,
case.
yeah,
Yeah.
cooking classes. It included North Indian, Chinese,
Hmm.
the snacks, baking.
Hmm.
All those I started.
Hmm.
Only thing I have attended only bakery course
Hmm.
during that time. Also, I attended. Other than that, I have not
Hmm.
taken up any classes. All these are my own recipes, my own plus and minus. I just keep
Awesome.
inventing new things always.
Authentic and
Yeah,
innovative.
yeah,
Authentic and
yeah. I
innovative. That
always
is your
keep.
USP.
It's a fusion, I can say, food
Wow.
fusion.
Wow. Okay. And presently, what are you doing, Jaya?
And
Like
presently,
in this?
after my
Hmm.
son started eating, now
Hmm.
he's 6+ years,
Hmm.
so he never eat this dry fruits.
Hmm.
So whatever he don't eat, I started including, means those in my dishes.
Hmm.
Even today, I do the same.
Okay. Awesome.
What he don't eat,
Uh,
so that I'll convert them into a different dish and I'll present it,
yeah,
so
this
that
is
he'll
a
not
big
come to know it.
problem. This is a big
Yeah,
problem for parents. We
this
have
is,
certain
yeah,
things we want them to eat, but they prefer
yeah,
something totally opposite. So,
yeah,
how do you achieve
right.
a balance? One or two tips can you give us?
Uh, as I said, my son, he don't eat dry fruits. He eat
Hmm.
only
Hmm.
these raisins. Other than raisins, he don't eat any of the dry fruits. So
Okay.
what I do, I just mix all the dry fruits,
Hmm.
just make a powder and keep, and
Okay.
I include in all the dishes.
Oh wow.
Like if I
And in
make a
rotis.
chapati,
Ha ha
yeah,
ha.
if I make a chapati, I
Ha ha.
stuff in chapati.
Oh,
And
okay.
if I make a puri, what
Hmm.
I do, I just mix this
Nuts.
nuts
Huh.
powder
Mm-hmm.
along with a granulated sugar, stuff,
Mm-hmm.
and I make a sweet kachori for him.
Oh,
So he'll
wow.
not come to know. He enjoy the like a
Hmm.
puri. It
Hmm.
will become just like a kachori.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So, and it will be very easy to carry even to school also.
You can store it also, right? 1 or 2 days you can
Yeah, we
make
can
and store
store
it.
it also.
Okay, okay. And how
Um,
about
it's not
vegetables, fruits, any hacks for that?
uh,
How to include?
like
Normally,
uh,
children say we like potatoes, and we want them to eat,
potatoes.
cauliflower, cabbage, beetroot, such
Yeah,
things.
yeah.
And they say, "Yuck, I don't want this." This is the reaction we
Yeah,
get. Huh.
right.
Hmm.
So what we can do, like 50% we can take the potato, boiled potatoes,
Okay.
or and 50% we can add what they don't eat. Those
Uh-huh.
vegetables we can take.
Okay, maybe grated
So
or
just
something like.
chop and grated or chopped,
Mixes.
mixed with boiled
Okay.
potato. They'll not come to know.
Okay, okay. And what do you make
And
out of that sabji or cutlet? Like how to use
you
that?
can make anything, anything. You
Wow.
can make a
Okay.
paratha. You can
Oh,
make a
paratha. Awesome.
cutlet. Yeah, you can make
Uh-huh.
a cutlet, or you can
Mm-hmm.
make samosas.
Okay.
Anything you can make rolls also in that,
Hmm.
and sandwich
Nowadays,
stuffing also you can make.
right, right. Nowadays,
Uh,
moms say we have to avoid oil, too much oil. So, how to make it healthy version? Like, what all can we steam or boil? What do you suggest? Some few
uh,
suggestions.
like rolls are the best. They'll
Hmm.
not come to know, and with less oil you
Rolls.
can make
Okay.
like
Hmm.
normal chapati, leftover chapati also you can use, or a fresh
Hmm.
chapati you can use,
Hmm.
or
Hmm.
you can make a, pockets.
Hmm. Hmm.
It
Hmm.
will be pockets means rolling a chapati, little thick chapati,
Okay.
or actually we use a pita bread.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Pita
Right.
bread, pita breads are cut into half,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
two pockets can be made, and it will be easy to send even
Okay.
tiffin box also.
Something like a
So we can
burger.
stuff,
Hmm.
yeah,
Hmm.
we can stuff all raw vegetables what they don't eat,
Hmm.
and few sauces what they like, what they
Hmm.
like to enjoy. Like
Hmm.
usually
Hmm.
nowadays kids like this tomato sauce,
Yeah.
ketchups,
Yeah.
and mayonnaise.
Hmm.
Mayonnaise you get veg and even with egg
True.
also.
True. True.
Any you can make at home few sauces. I'll be
Hmm.
telling two sauces
Okay.
where I was in Jeddah,
Okay.
Saudi Arabia, where
Okay.
regularly not only kids, even elderly also,
Hmm.
they use these sauces in all the dishes.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Especially this tahini, they say.
Yeah.
Tahini means it's a made of roasted til.
Okay. Till. Okay. Sesame.
Okay,
Sesame.
sesame.
Hmm.
Actually, this is, as you know, this is very good for bones.
True. True. Very
Usually,
omega
few
fat it
my
has. I think so.
huh,
I'm not sure.
my
Yeah.
son, he
Hmm.
don't eat til. So
Hmm.
what
Hmm.
I do, I make this tahini and I keep always ready. So
Okay.
this I always use for sandwich, and these rolls I
Hmm.
use as a spread.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
He'll not come to know. He just enjoy. He always he concentrate on the French
Hmm.
fries, because I
Oh.
stuff all French fries in that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll mix
All
French
kids
fries
love
and
French fries.
vegetables.
Most of the kids
Yeah.
love the French
So
fries,
what you
chips,
can
and all
do,
that. Yeah.
that's what, instead of boiled potatoes, you
Ah.
try to like they like French fries, no? So
Hmm.
in that French fries, you
Hmm.
mix the vegetables like carrots.
Hmm. Hmm.
You
Hmm.
can marinate and keep also this always in the refrigerator. Like
Right. Hmm.
marination means these vegetables what they don't eat,
Hmm. Hmm.
like carrot, radish,
Hmm.
cucumber, and
Cucumber.
lettuce,
Okay. Hmm.
and cabbage, all
Hmm.
these,
Hmm.
and even beetroot also.
Hmm.
So you can just add little sugar,
Hmm.
some 2-3 spoons sugar,
Hmm.
salt,
Hmm.
vinegar,
Hmm.
and just warm
Marinate.
water.
Okay.
Uh,
Hmm.
in that you just dip all these vegetables chopped, or
Hmm.
whatever, like
Okay.
however you want, you can chop slice,
Hmm.
or
Hmm.
you can like a finger chips
Long
you can cut
sticks.
into
Okay.
strips.
Okay. Hmm. Hmm.
So that's what you can dip and keep whenever
Hmm.
you make the rolls. Use those finger chips, like French fries,
Okay.
mix with this uh,
Paneer maybe.
marinated no
Hmm.
no
Hmm.
paneer. And one more I would
This
like to
marinade
add,
is ready. So whenever you
the
make a roll, you
marinated,
can remove the vegetables and
this
add it to the
yeah, this
filling. Okay.
always, this sauce,
Got it.
tahini sauce will be ready. And
Got
one
it.
more sauce I'll be telling, that is hummus.
Hummus.
Hummus
Okay.
means they make with
Hmm.
this chickpeas, boiled
Yeah.
chickpeas.
It's very
What we
healthy.
make,
Hmm.
chole we make, no? The
Right.
same chickpeas they
Hmm.
soak, boil, and
Hmm.
they make the sauce. And if
Hmm.
you check in YouTube, you'll come to know how to make the sauces, and it's very easy also.
Right. Hmm.
So just make these two sauces, and anyhow you'll be having regular tomato sauces,
Hmm.
be having a mayonnaise at home.
Hmm.
Just you mix all those,
Hmm.
make a roll and give, and even you can send to even school also,
Box
tiffin
also.
box.
Okay. Hmm.
Even they themselves can make all these dishes.
True,
Whatever
true,
I'm
true.
telling.
They'll enjoy this
Yeah, they
activity.
do, if mother helps making sauces,
Hmm.
it's more than enough. They can do everything and they
Hmm.
can eat.
What about decoration, Jaya? Children are really fond of, when food looks good. We have to make it look good for them. So, what hacks or what tips can you give about decorating? Or maybe can
I
we
think
involve the kids in the decoration, some garnish and all that?
yeah,
Maybe.
definitely. They can grate few vegetables,
Hmm.
grated vegetables like cabbage, or if they have a very good vegetable cutters, and they can use those cutters,
Hmm.
and like a spring, like if they make, and they, if they
Yeah.
are very really interested, they can buy those gadgets,
Hmm.
and it will be
Hmm.
easy for them to make a different decorations, like
Okay.
spring, like if you cut the carrot like a spring, definitely
Correct.
they love to enjoy that
Make it
spring,
like a flower,
not the
right? If
carrot.
it's like a
Yeah,
rose or something, when you peel
rose,
off the
anything
carrot
they can
and
make.
uh-huh.
So
And
now it's
maybe
the
ask
right
the
time
kids
they can.
themselves. Kids are so creative. Ask them to
Yeah,
decorate.
definitely
Involve
they
them.
are
Then
very.
what they decorate, they love to eat and share with
Yeah,
others also.
uh,
So that's a good idea.
yeah.
So can you share a
And
few recipes, yeah, please continue.
uh, yeah, sure. I'll start with the healthy
Hmm.
wheat cake. Okay.
Okay,
So
wheat cake.
this they can
Okay,
use like a snack if
lovely.
they bake and keep, like
Okay,
in like for the short break also they can take carry this
right.
school.
Lovely,
Okay.
lovely.
So
Please share it.
so
Hmm.
I'll just share the ingredients.
Okay.
I'll not tell the measurements. Okay.
Hmm.
Later, if they want the measurement, the perfect measurements, I can post and they can
Sure, sure,
make
sure.
whatever.
Just give an
So
idea, then for exact
I
recipe,
just
they'll contact. Okay.
yeah, sure. Wheat cake can be made with wheat flour
Hmm.
and the jaggery powder. You get
Hmm.
the jaggery powder in the market.
Hmm. Hmm.
Otherwise, you can grate, and if you dry in a sun, so the fine jaggery powder you will be getting.
Okay.
Means there will be no
Nowadays,
lumps.
everywhere
Means
it is available, the jaggery
yeah, it's
powder.
available.
Hmm. Hmm.
You can
Hmm.
make at home also.
Okay.
So jaggery powder, mixed fruits, or along with the mixed fruits, you can add chopped banana also.
Oh,
Always this banana with nuts will be very good.
okay.
Banana and
Okay.
carrot and nuts also will be very good.
Okay. Awesome. By fruits,
Okay.
what fruits do you mean? Mango, maybe such
No,
fresh
not
fruits or dry fruits?
no.
Hmm.
I prefer in this dry fruits,
Dry fruits
because
plus
fresh,
banana or carrot.
yeah,
Okay. Hmm.
fresh fruits. Sometimes what happens,
Hmm.
the cakes will become very sticky.
Okay.
The
Hmm.
moisture will be more, so they
Okay.
become sticky.
So only
And you
banana you
can't.
can use among fresh
So yeah,
fruits.
banana you can use, and this banana cake you
Hmm.
can use for at
Hmm.
least 3 to 4 days. You can have. If it
Okay.
is made of only dry fruits,
Hmm.
definitely you can store up to 1 week or 10 days.
Correct.
Also, you can store in the
Okay.
refrigerator.
Homemade
And
healthy
I
cake,
give the
right?
option. Yeah,
With
healthy cake.
jaggery and wheat. Okay.
Yeah,
Hmm.
you can make this eggless
Hmm.
or even with egg also.
Hmm.
It's
Hmm.
left to them.
Hmm.
And butter or oil.
Okay.
You can
Hmm.
make with the fresh butter,
Hmm.
that is room temperature butter, or
Okay.
oil. Oil
Hmm.
means only refined oil
Refined
can
oil.
be used.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
And as usual, baking powder,
Baking powder and maybe.
vanilla essence is a must. And
Okay.
if they want a chocolate version, definitely all kids love to enjoy the chocolate version. They can
Mm-hmm.
add cocoa powder also in this if they want to get a chocolate version.
This is a very good variation because normally we say avoid maida, then we don't buy them the
Yeah.
bakery items, but
Uh,
children love them, and we
yeah.
also, for moms also, always you
Uh,
can't be in the kitchen. So if you can cook and keep something of this kind of a healthy snack, so whenever the kid feels hungry, or as you said, we have to pack 2-3 boxes also when schools are
yeah.
there. So this can be used as a midtime snack or something.
Uh.
So
And
this
I'll tell
right.
you one more version. That
Okay.
is millet. Nowadays,
Millet. Yeah.
everywhere they started it. They are eating. They started using millet.
Correct.
So instead, they can take the 70% or 60% of wheat flour and
Okay.
40% of millet, whatever millet powder
Hmm.
they have, they can use that.
That's a great idea. Great idea. Thank you for
60 and
sharing
40.
this.
Yeah.
Thank you for
So
sharing this. So
they'll be you
exact recipe
because
you can give since this program is short. If you give your number at the end of the program, we
yeah,
can
yeah,
connect with
sure.
you.
I'll
And
be
not only this, you can give them many more recipes also.
yeah, sure.
Whatever, you know,
I
customize.
can.
Some people maybe want some snacks or food items to be prepared in less time, or maybe
Yeah.
somebody needs a healthy version, some variations of what they're already doing, how to make it healthy. All such tips you can guide whoever is interested further. What other recipe would you like to share, Jaya?
Like for the breakfast, they can go
Hmm.
for a means if for the tiffin box, they can carry
Hmm.
burgers. Definitely, they'll be they will I liking means
Okay.
the kids like burgers,
Hmm.
sandwiches.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
for this, again, as I said, the same sauces can be
Can
used:
you suggest
tahini,
a
hummus.
sandwich which kids themselves can fix if all the ingredients are
Yeah.
there? We can teach the kids to
Uh,
make it themselves. Kids will also feel very happy when they make something out of their own hands. It is like I always tell the parents, give your child responsibility and appreciate them. Encourage them, first of all, to do things around the house to help you out. And after they do that job, appreciate them. So, this is one way we can give this job to them. And when they do something out of their own effort, we could really appreciate. So can you give us a very simple recipe which even a 7, 8 year old child can do himself? That kind of a sandwich recipe
okay.
could you give? Yeah,
Sandwich means okay. Anyhow, they'll be having the bread, sweet bread, or any
correct.
normal sandwich bread they'll be
Mm.
having,
Mm.
and they can use one side these all
Mm.
spreads they can use.
Okay.
And if they like a spicy, or if without spice also we can make this. They
Mm.
can make some chutneys also, like our
Okay.
Indian chutneys also they can spread,
Mm.
like coriander chutney, pudina
Mm.
chutney. These
Mm.
chutneys anyhow we'll be having
Correct.
along with the tomato sauces, mayonnaise, all these spreads they can use. Or what they can do,
Mm.
they can take a bowl, they can
Mm.
add all mixed vegetables,
Mm.
put all the sauces, they
Mm.
can mix,
Mm. Mm.
just stuff and have.
And
You
cut
can
it and
have
all.
even with
Okay.
grilled also you can have, without grilled
Maybe
also you can
bread
have.
they could cut in a round shape, you know,
Yeah,
using a
yeah.
roll or
Any
something.
shapes they
It
can
makes it
make. They can
somewhat
grill it.
different.
Yeah.
Uh, uh.
Huh.
Okay, grilling is also could
Uh,
be done. Okay.
Grilling also
And it can help out.
definitely they can make.
Okay, fine, fine.
Grilling has to be
What is
done
the
with
sweet version of this sandwich? Any sweet? Because children like sweeter version,
yeah,
some of
definitely.
them. Hmm.
Sweeter version.
You said that dry fruits powder, can it be used in this?
Yeah,
Maybe.
what I do always seasonal fruits. I just
Okay. Hmm.
chop,
Hmm.
add little sugar and one this I'll be clove I'll be adding
Okay.
without water, adding a few drops of lemon juice. I
Okay.
just cook and keep those. You can add jaggery
Okay.
also
It's
or
like a
sugar.
jam. It's
Any
like a homemade jam,
it's
like
not
with jaggery.
it will be
What is the
any seasonal fruit.
consistency? Uh-huh.
Just according to your taste you can make.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sweet means adding sweet is left to you.
Maybe
You
except
people like
citrus
more
fruits,
sweet.
orange grapes
Yeah,
will not do. They'll make it sour.
any fruit.
Okay.
Even
Okay.
now the seasonal this totapari has come, we can make with totapari.
Oh,
Now
okay.
that this has
Okay, it's like
started
a
already.
marmalade then, mix marmalade kind of
Anything.
thing. The pieces will be
Yeah,
visible, but it will
be
be
visible.
slightly cooked. Okay, okay.
Just
Use
you can
jaggery instead
stuff.
of sugar. That is the healthy
Yeah,
version you are saying. Okay,
yeah.
okay. Keep
You
it
get a
ready in the
different
fridge,
types of.
then the child can fix it up,
Yeah,
can make the
and it will
sandwich
take
and have it.
hardly making this. It will
Hmm.
take only hardly some 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that.
Oh wow, okay.
Just
So
you mix
keep it
everything and
ready
keep on the
whenever
stove.
the kid feels hungry or when
Yeah,
he or she feels like having a snack,
even
he can go
yeah,
and take
even
it.
kids can make this.
Yeah,
Even
that's
kids
what.
can make this. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay, awesome.
and
Then,
it will be they can use with dosa. They can use with regular
uh-huh.
chapati.
Okay,
They
okay.
can
It
for
is like
any
a
rolls they can
accompaniment, sweet
use.
accompaniment
Yeah,
with jaggery instead of sugar.
yeah,
And since fruits are
sugar.
there, it's quite healthy. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
lovely. Lovely. Such innovative things you to share with us. Thank you
Uh,
so much. One
and
more I would like you to,
you can add even nuts also in that.
nuts also.
If they
Okay, that will
don't
make
eat
it
nuts,
more.
you can add nuts also. Yeah,
Correct, correct, correct. It will make it more crunchy and
yeah.
that kind of a feel we'll
Uh,
get. Awesome. Then any other, this for this filling item, can you give the roll you told us? The one or two
Yeah.
sauces you can share. What you mentioned, tahini is something exotic.
Tahini
That's a
and
recipe.
hummus also they can
Hummus
check in
also.
YouTube,
Okay,
or if
okay.
they want, I can share the recipe. No issues.
Okay, right.
Then mayonnaise, anyhow, regularly we get outside in the market. Tomato
Okay.
sauces we get,
Okay.
and some other chili sauces if they like. When
Hmm.
kids, they don't. Few kids they enjoy even the spicy also. So they can use this just few drops. They can use this. Otherwise,
Okay.
always you keep ready one spicy chutney at home.
Okay.
Grinding either green chilies or fresh raw red chilies.
Okay.
Adding,
Okay.
yeah, adding
It
little
is like a
vinegar.
spice mix. So whatever you
Yeah,
want, you
spice
can add
mix.
this spice mix. Okay.
Garlic,
Okay.
garlic
Garlic.
and
Okay.
red chili
As
and
per
little
your
vinegar.
family's preference, you can make it
Yeah,
and keep either red
you
chili
can
or green
use
chili.
this.
Huh.
Yeah, anything with
Okay.
anything you can mix.
Okay, thank you. Within a short time, you shared so much. If we start
Uh,
implementing,
and
kids
one
can
more
just get
this.
ideas. Correct. Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, for the lunch, what you can,
Yeah.
I would like to suggest these rolls.
Rolls.
Rolls
Okay.
in different places they say different names. Like here in this is a Calcutta version. That is, they say kati rolls. They say
Yeah. Kati
this
roll.
is and when means in a few countries they call shawarma.
Okay.
Means
Wrap
there in
also they
Saudi
call.
Arabia,
Wrap. Okay.
and we used to have a vegetarian version called tamia.
Pardon?
Tamia. It's a
Tamia. Okay.
tamia. Tamia.
Okay. Okay.
It's
Tamia.
a vegetable version.
Okay.
Shawarma means they'll be filling this non-veg. They'll be filling
Meat items. Okay.
meat items. They'll be
Okay.
filling,
Okay.
and the tamia means it is just like our masal vada. You know
Okay.
masal vada,
Vada. Okay. Okay.
what we make at home. The same masal vada they make
Just filled
only with
inside.
salt. No,
Ah.
they make only with salt and ginger.
Salt and ginger and
Salt and ginger.
lentils, right?
If you
Masala
want
vada is of lentils.
little, no, they make only with little coriander,
Okay.
salt, lemon, and this ginger. And they just fry and keep. Whenever you
So
want,
what is
you
the
just
vada
fill those.
ingredient? Is it gram flour or lentils?
No, that is the chickpea vadas. Means we
Okay.
use the dal. They make with chickpea.
Okay.
They
Okay.
make with
Chickpea
chickpea.
vadas. Okay. That is filled
They
inside the
use
roll.
lot of
Okay.
those vadas along with the fresh this all marinated vegetables and these sauces. Means again you can add some this French fries in that. Just
Okay.
make a roll, and it will be very tasty.
Oh wow.
And if you have one roll, and it will be full. You can't eat
Wow.
more than one.
Yeah, inside that dal filling
So,
will be there.
yeah, this you can make in our regular chapatis also we can make. Because they'll be using a lot of maida. They'll be
Normally it
using
is maida roll, but
chapatis,
anyway we have
maida
our
roll,
Indian chapati and
our
we can
Indian
use.
chapati. Yeah,
We can be innovative in filling. As you mentioned,
yeah,
that marmalade kind of jam, what we make,
yeah,
jaggery, and the dry fruits and nuts powder. All your
yeah,
things are so innovative. Like, and moms need not spend too much time, beforehand if they prepare 2, 3 spicy chutneys and dips. The hummus you told, tahini you told, then mint
yeah.
chutney with chili, without chili. They can make
Without
it and
chili
keep it
also
in
we
the
can.
fridge. Maybe whole 1 week it will do. I think once a week if they make and keep this
Yeah,
3, 4 varieties,
these
either
uh,
sandwich or chapati, any variation
with
can be done,
anything they
right?
can use. With
Right.
anything they can use.
Okay. So before we end, Jaya, can you give your contact details so that I'll put it below
Yeah,
this
sure.
video also, so that they can
Okay.
contact you for any. You're also delivering, right? You're making homemade food and
Yeah, right now,
healthy and
yeah, I
hygienic.
started.
Okay.
Right now, I started only paratas.
Okay.
Takeaway from.
Hmm.
That's what I started.
Okay, so Davangere
And
people, please contact her
yeah,
and
and
tell
I'm
your
coming.
friends and relatives who are in Davangere, homemade food, like mom's cooked food. We all prefer that, we crave for it, and so
Yeah,
nowadays hotels are not advisable since Jaya makes it in a very hygienic way and she packs. I've seen her presentation, I've seen her packing no less than a professional. And at the same time, the taste I haven't, because I'm in Bangalore. I really wish she was in Bangalore. Otherwise, I would have ordered from her every day. So the presentation is awesome, and I'm sure with all her experience of so many years, her food will be very tasty and hygienic and healthy. So she'll be sharing her number and contact details, and kindly spread the word. And whoever is in Davangere, your friends, relatives, or share it in your groups. Someone may love to taste her cooking, so they'll get in touch with her. Jaya, please share your contact details.
Yeah, my number is 8310 200 810.
8310 200
810.
810. Okay. I'll put your number below this video, and then so
Yeah.
they can refer to it. And so thank you so much. I just got an idea
And
nowadays.
yeah, not only kids, very soon I'm coming with an ebook, and I would
Awesome.
like to tell a word about
Oh,
that.
yeah, please,
Uh,
please.
like all traditional pickles, like what
Hmm.
my mom make, what my mother-in-law make, what
Hmm.
my neighbor auntie makes, means
Hmm.
which are very good.
Hmm.
Means those
Hmm.
traditional recipes always we have to carry forward to our children,
Correct.
for our
Correct.
next generation. What I
Correct.
believe,
Hmm. Hmm.
because those are all whatever they used to make, all are healthy.
There are treasures like
Our
our
traditional recipe,
heritage
yeah,
and
definitely.
treasures. Hmm.
Right, we have to carry for our next generations. So
Correct.
I'm coming up with those recipe book.
Hmm.
I'll be coming
Hmm.
definitely very soon.
Hmm.
I'm working on that.
Hmm.
And this will be definitely all
Sure.
parents can enjoy these pickles,
Sure. Sure.
traditional pickles, and they can forward it to their next generation.
Correct. See, some years ago, by word of mouth, we used to learn these things and make
Yeah.
it, and our family used to taste. Nowadays, we are
uh,
going for more and more ready-made, and we are forgetting the recipes. After few
yeah,
years,
right,
nobody will know these traditional recipes, like how
right.
to make them. Then maybe
uh,
someone from abroad will come and patent it. These kinds of things are happening. So it is our
right.
responsibility, in fact, to carry this forward. Our age-old
Yeah.
tradition, culture, heritage, and these recipes, they connect people. One recipe, if you share, we have a lot of childhood memories with that particular traditional recipe. So all that we recollect. So when me and Jaya were conversing about the recipes and all that, I thought, see, whatever I think nowadays, whatever book I read, whomever I interact with, I always think from the angle of how it can help parents, how it can help children. So here I found a right person who is here with me, my friend, who can share the healthy recipes with parents. How many ever varieties we know, we always think what to cook, and our kids are always yesterday Sunday I had a kids meet, Jaya. I just asked the
uh,
kids, what do you love? They said burgers, fries, and pizza and all that. So I thought, yes, we can make them at home, but let them think it is that kind of a pizza, but let us include our vegetables or whatever, even burger, like you gave the ideas today. So this is my intention of calling you, and I'm very happy that you shared. And it need not be that whenever you have to cook something, it has to be out of the way and moms have to struggle for hours in the kitchen. It is not like that. Even you suggested a sandwich which kids themselves could make, and when the spreads and the ingredients are kept ready, maybe kids can help out, and eating will become an enjoyable family activity, cooking and both eating. So that way your inputs was very helpful today. So thank you, Jaya. Any last word you would like to have?
Yeah, I have one more important thing I forgot. So
Yeah.
with all these recipes, you can start using sprouts also. Along with the vegetables, mix the sprouts
Is really helpful.
because they
Correct.
are highly protein. And
Hmm.
I forgot to add this paneer
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
tofu. Tofu means it
Yeah,
is a
protein. Hmm.
soya, yeah, high
Hmm.
protein
Hmm.
compared to paneer. Tofu,
Hmm.
tofu is very good.
Okay.
Uh, like what I can say, calories will be very less compared
Hmm.
to paneer,
Hmm.
but it's very healthy also. So they can
Awesome.
use all these fresh tofu or little sorted tofus,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
paneers. They can mix with all these dishes and they can use.
Perfect.
And
Perfect.
instead of paneer, you can start using tofu because it's readily
Okay.
available
Tofu
in
is
the
more
market. Little
nutritious.
like
Ah.
paneer,
Hmm.
at least we can make very easily at home.
Hmm.
Whereas tofu little tedious to make.
Okay.
So readily it is available in the market,
Available.
and
Hmm.
always you keep 1 bar of tofu. You
Hmm.
can mix with any damn dish and you can make.
Lovely. Lovely. So today we have given lot of tips and recipes also. So just to recap, we started with how we could include vegetables, fruits for the kids, and also dry fruits and nuts. You suggested that powder, and also certain
Yeah,
exotic dips when we make this tahini and hummus recipes are available on YouTube, or you can contact Jaya. She'll tell you very simple recipe. So when you keep this dips and sauces and our Indian chutneys also, so anytime you can fix up a sandwich or a kati roll or a burger. So anything the kids themselves could be thought. And that fruit jam with jaggery, it's such a lovely idea. It is, I call it jam, something like a jam or marmalade. You could add the fruits and jaggery and one clove, you said,
yeah,
right? You could add for
yeah,
flavor. That is one thing. And also you gave the recipe of burger, sorry, the roll, and then the jaggery cake. That is something very unique. Wheat plus
yeah,
jaggery cake and banana, optional banana. It will make a like a tea time snack or snack for the lunch box. And thank you for sharing. And kati roll also everyone knows, but you told us the recipe is very different inside the lentil vada filling. What did you say? The name Tamya?
Tamia, Tamia.
Yeah, yeah, right. Something
Uh,
different, you know. Normally, we'll be
yeah,
filling with paneer, vegetables, onion,
yeah,
cabbage, lettuce, and all that. So this is a different version of that. So I am sure moms got a lot of ideas from this, and I'm sure they'll involve their kids in, you know, cooking, and decoration plays a huge part. You can take the ideas from the kids and decorate and make it really
yeah.
attractive. So thank you, Jaya, for spending this time with us. Once more, you can repeat your number, please.
8310 200 810. So you can
Okay.
contact me if you need any recipes or any food fusion
Any
or anything.
guidance?
I'll just try to, yeah, guidance. I'll try to help.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank
I
you.
put your number below the video. Anyone can
Yeah,
contact you. Thank you so much for, you know, I just asked you and you readily agreed. So things happen like this. I am always thinking of parents, children, how I can give them value. And with it, with this intention, when I approach someone, a friend like you, yesterday we were just talking yesterday night and today we have recorded this. So I'm thank you for your immediate response and giving such good tips and strategies. Thanks, Jaya. See you. Bye.
bye.
Thank you. Thank you.